friends, today I'm doing unboxing of new shoes that I've got, and those are UGG Australia, but we hope it's not gonna collapse. If so, I will have to catch them. I had purchased UGG Australia and they came today. So they came in this box, and also in the box were big one. So I got the model called NEUMEL platform zip in size 10, UK 8 and European sizes 41. You can see. So let's open them. I don't know. They are new and I like how they look. So here is the inside. Boot number 1. Paper. Shoe on boot number 2. And they come with nothing more, just like small. I put the box away. They come with this small thingy, which is like booklet how to how they are rated, waterproof or not, and how the inside is rated. So I've got them in original store here in USA, in the online UGG store. And let's see. So first one, then in general I've got them in this nice green looking color, but actually this color is called Seaweed, and it looks like dark green or olive green color, and they have nice trim like here. They're reminding of a classic NEUMEL style, but these ones have platform which is thicker than original UGG boots, and they are 1 inch 25 height. Here is the sole, looks like this. We have here stickers that it's real fur from lamb, origin Australia, and they are made in Vietnam. Sock lining 80% wool, 20% lyocell. Sock lining backing 100% recycled polyester. This product contains UGG plush. Interesting. So they are, I believe that this part is made from real sheepskin leather, but it was covered, like painted with some color, and maybe even treated with some thicker layer of paint. And here we have zipper which goes up and down. They don't have the tag here as original UGG boots, but you have just this UGG imprint right here. We also have this pull tab right about here, so it's easier to take them off. Then, so this model is interesting because it has two different design, even from original UGGs and from UGG NEUMEL, because NEUMEL are laced, and these ones have zipper and they have this tongue. But I'm inspecting if the parts like here, if they are really made from real leather, because I kind of see lately that UGG sometimes have those parts made from just fake leather. But as I can tell, but it might be like some mixture, like they do something to this leather that it's not the original in original state, but it's like somehow transformed, because it's looking weird at the top. See, it's like not shiny, not have any pores or something like that. It's just weird texture of it. And this is, I think, sheepskin. I've always say twin face, I think. The trims might be, as I can tell, those trims are fake leather, like man-made material. And this might be fake too, but I'm not sure. And these trims might be fake leather, but this is real one. I just hope so, because they said so. But the very, very soft one, and it's wrinkled, like when you bend it, it makes wrinkles. So be aware of this, because they are, I guess, made from that sheepskin. That is really soft. And inside they have nice black UGG plush material, which is sheepskin with lyocell together combined. As you can see, it's nice and thick, so it will keep your feet warm in the winter, and it goes all the way to this part. Because some UGGs have not here, they don't have here the lining. And this inside sole insert is in creamy color, as you can see, and it's not removable, so you can't remove it, it's stuck there. And it has tag which says UGG. I don't know if you can see. So yeah, that's all features of these boots. I will try them on, but before I do, I have to remove those insets, because they come with those things. And by the way, I've got them in size 10, and my size in UGGs, actually in all shoes, my size is size 9.5, but it doesn't come in sizes, in between sizes. That's why I decided to get size 10, because I prefer UGGs to have a little space, because then they are easier to put on and take off. So yeah, and see, this one already have those wrinkles much, and here also, but it's fine. So yeah, let's try them on. I don't know still if I'm gonna keep them, but I hope I will. Because if they're too big, then I guess I will have to return them. So I tried them on. people saying that they will wear them like unzipped, like so, but I think it would be annoying because they wouldn't be so secure. So yeah, that's how they look. With sweatpants, they look like this. What do you think about them? And they come in, also they come in black, chestnut, and like silver. So I was thinking maybe to get those silver ones. So maybe I will get silver and then I will figure out which one to keep and which one to return. So yeah. So this is the box they came in, this one. So I will keep the box until I decide if I want them or not. You can tell that they are chunky looking, and either you have to get smaller size or just accept that they're a little bit chunky. It's my unboxing. Hope you enjoy such videos. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next ones. Bye.